Hello everybody, my name is Ibra and welcome to my channel. There are three different ways of registering a car. When the car is import, which means that it came from different country. When the car is purchased from different city. When the car is purchased from the same city. My Audi is with the Sofia registration, and in this episode I'm going to show you how to register a car that is purchased from the same city. Now I'm near the Sofia police station. This is where you have to register your car if you live in Sofia. But I don't need to take the car since the car is already from Sofia registration. The car already passed from this tunnel. They checked the VIN number of the car, the engine number. So I just need to do the paperwork. Wow. Even though it looks sunny, it's -7 degrees. It's very cold, but I got used to it. So now I'm going to the part of the police station to register my car, and I will show you the details. There is always some queue here. This is the office where I will do the paperwork. I have to get in and pick a number for queue. I got a queue number 85. There is a TV there between these two guys, and there are the numbers that are going. Now it's 74, 85. I'm lucky. I think I will wait like 20 minutes, and after that I will present my papers. The papers you need: the copy of the sale contract, the original of it, your ID if you are registered to Sofia, and the original registration documents that is given from the police station, the big one and the small one. When your turn comes, there are desks inside. You will see that your number is lighting in front of that desk. Unfortunately, people inside are very grumpy, and I'm not really sure if it's allowed or not to videotape it, so I won't be able to record it, but it's very simple. Okay, so the first step is done. I presented papers. I paid €10 for changing the ownership of the registration, and I will have to wait for my name to be called here. There's a speaker here. When you hear your name, you give your ID and you receive your papers. That's all. So the car is registered. I have all the papers, the small registration paper, the big one, and my ID. And that's all. It's very easy. You pay only for the documents €10, and that's it. Hello from the other day. For February it's really hot. I didn't expect today to be so sunny. Anyway, Batu is my dear friend. That he is Audi A3 Guru. He is very experienced with Audi A3s, and he helped me replacing the trunk. But we have this thing. Anyway, I'm trying to put the parts on it and see how it will fit, and then I will take the car to the body shop. So that's all. Thank you for watching me. Please hit the button for like, share and subscribe, and there will be more videos of Audi A3.